This is another orientation which we are about to go ahead for seeing the line which is inclined to HP and parallel to VP. So as of the thing that when we are about to say that when a line is about to be said above HP and in front of VP with respect to the lines, we have seen the positions like parallel to both the reference planes, and it is also perpendicular to one of the reference planes, that what we have seen the previous cases. But right now, as of in the present case, we are about to be seeing the line which is inclined to HP. So right now, as of the thing, when we are about to keep it here in the normal basic position, as of if we draw it in the like this, the line was supposed to be parallel to HP and as well as parallel to VP. But the present position, it is not parallel to HP, but it is inclined to HP but parallel to VP. As of you see this, the position of a line which is parallel to VP, but it is when coming to the point of the C, it is making an inclination with respect to horizontal plane. So how do we go ahead for drawing its projections? When we are about to be seeing it from the front view, the true length of this line AB, which is around like 75 mm, is projected on the vertical plane, just which I am about to drawing, which is at a height of 20 mm, we are about to draw the line at an inclined position, where we are marking it as like A dash, B dash. But this is my true length, what we are about to say this line as true length. But when we are about to see it from the front top view, after seeing from the front view, when we are about to see it from the top view, so the line, the projections will be straight enough. The projections are straight enough that will be projected on the horizontal plane, will not be of same to that of the length as that of the true length. So this will be the point B, and this is the point A. But this length will not be equal to that of the true length. So actually the length is around like 75 mm. When you are about to draw the projections of them, then it will be in a somewhat the reduced length, which we generally call it as reduced length. So the dimensions will be reduced, which we generally say it as reduced length. Coming to the point of its projections, if we see it here, how do we go ahead for drawing? Now I will explain it to you now. Draw the XY line. Draw the XY line and marking this one as vertical plane, horizontal plane, and at a height of, so this is around 20 mm above HP, 30 mm in front of VP. Draw the locus lines first over here. So which I am marking this one as 20 mm above HP, 30 mm in front of VP. Now first locate the point here at a distance of 10 mm. So marking here as first my point as A dash, and using your compass, using your pro compass, measuring an angle of 30 degrees. Draw a line inclined. So as that of it is mentioned at an inclination of 30 degrees. So now draw this line which is at an angle of 30 degrees, which is inclined at an angle of 30 degrees. Draw it here of 75 mm length. Marking the point as B dash. Now draw the projection lines. Draw the projection lines into the vertical plane, into the horizontal plane. So where at a distance of 30 mm from the XY line. And now this is my AB, which we generally say it as reduced length, and this is the true length. You can mention it as around like 75. So this is how we go ahead for drawing the projections of a line when it is inclined to HP and parallel to VP. So the next will be the line inclined to VP, that I'll explain it to you in the next orientation.